module has given you some insight into the complex relationships insects have with plants. We discussed how coevolution can occur between a pair of species or among groups of species, and how insects can evolve varying diet breadth. Interestingly, most insect herbivores are picky eaters and show some degree of host plant specialization. Other insect herbivores are polyphagous and can consume just about any plant species. As plants can't run away from insect herbivores, they have evolved a diverse range of defenses to mitigate the impact of insect herbivory, from hairy surfaces to poisonous toxins. Throughout this module, we've learned that herbivory doesn't just mean eating leaves. In fact, insect herbivores have developed many adaptations that allow them to obtain nutrition from specific plant tissues. Finally, we discussed what happens when insects have similar tastes to humans. That is, when they become pests on plants that are cultivated by humans. We discussed how insect pests can damage plants, ecosystems, and the economy, and gave some examples of severe pests. With this knowledge about herbivores and the benefits and damage they cause, you can now see why it is so important to learn about, monitor, and control for many of these insects. In the next module, we will introduce a beneficial service provided by insects, pollination. We will explore the importance of pollination as an ecosystem service and examine the intricacies of beekeeping. So put on your bee suits and prepare to enter the secret world of bees.